Hey everybody! Today I'm making a not so rustic piece of wall art using maple and mahogany. Right now I'm cutting the boards oversized for the backing panel. Once I had all the pieces cut for the backing panel, I ran them through my table saw at various widths. Once I had the sides flush with each other, I applied clamping pressure from the top, sides, and made sure I had clamping pressure where the joints met. After the back panel fully dried, I removed the glue squeeze out and ran it through my thickness planer. I just made a few light passes just to get everything flush. After I was done planing the piece, I placed a piece of painter's tape just shy of where the snipe started. This helps prevent tear out. I did this to both sides, and with the snipe removed, the panel ended up being 12 by 23.5 inches. I cut the pieces for the arrows to their final width of 2 inches. Now I'm using the darker, more marbled grain for the arrows. I'm hoping it'll add a nice contrast once the finish is applied. After some trial and error, I found that a 40-degree angle looked the best for me on the arrow, and the tape on the pieces just to help prevent tear out during the cut. With the pocket hole made, I then MacGyvered a jig to help make assembling the arrows really easy. Enjoy. After the arrows dried, I gave everything a final sanding. I made sure the seams were flush, and I did hit areas more than others just to give it a more unique look. After the final sanding, I applied the black walnut tinted Danish oil to the arrows. I'm glad I used the pieces with a darker grain pattern because this color really highlights them. I then applied the fruitwood tinted Danish oil on the back panel just to give the piece more contrast and make the arrows pop more. Once everything dried, I attached the arrows and then applied a few coats of spray lacquer. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching me build some not so rustic wall art. I hope you found it entertaining, and I hope it inspires you to make your own. I'd like to take this time to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or comments about this week's project, please leave those below. As always, thanks for watching, and until next week, take care and have a good one.